Welcome to the Voximplant Kit. Let's get acquainted with the service and its capabilities. Looking at the left menu, you will see selections for overview, outbound and inbound scenarios, audio, and numbers. Clicking on numbers will allow you to rent one of our numbers or add your own. To buy a number, click on the purple Buy Number button and select the one that you would like. Moving on, the integration section allows you to bind your Dialogflow bot or add your IP address to the SIP whitelist. Select one of our subscription plans on the Plan Selection page. You can also set an auto refill option for your account balance. Let's try to create the first scenario. To do this, go to the Outbound section and select one of the templates or click on a new scenario. To get started with the Voximplant Kit Scenario Editor, drag and drop a block into the work area. To edit data inside a block, double-click on it. Remember that blocks can be copied and duplicated. Press Ctrl+C to copy, and then press Ctrl+V to paste. In addition, you also have the option to change the color of the blocks. To test your scenario, click on the Test button in the upper right-hand corner. Select the number from which the call will be made, or buy it if you do not have it, and enter the number that you wish to call. After you have completed these steps, click Start. The test scenario will visually tell you what stage it is at. If you have several branches, you will understand which of them are being used during the call. To finish the test scenario, click Stop. Once you are happy with your scenario and you have finished testing it, the next step is to launch some calls to your customers. To do this, go back to the main menu and navigate to the Outbound section. From here, go to the Company tab and click on the Create a Campaign button. After naming your campaign, select the scenario and the number from which the calls will be made. You will also need to choose the number of lines and configure the start and end dates of the campaign. These dates determine when to start calling and when to finish. You also need to choose the business hours that calls are made, as this will ensure customers do not receive calls in the middle of the night or in the middle of the day when they are at work and unable to answer their phones. After setting up those criteria, you will need to select the number of attempts. When you are done, click Next. At this point, you can download the file template, fill it in, and upload it. Don't forget to double-check the template. Once you've chosen your template, select the checkmark beside it and click Download. After selecting the desired template, click Next to complete the necessary fields. After checking all of the settings, click Next to start the campaign. Now you just need to monitor how many calls are being made, the conversion rate, and your account balance.